I know. Baby. I know I can't hear. And you tell me when things happen, and I appreciate that. I also know it's New Year's Eve. And so there's going to be firecrackers. So you don't have to let me know when there is another one every single time. We're gonna be okay. We're inside the house in our jammies, underneath the cover. Yeah, you can hide, that's okay. No shame in hiding. No shame. I know, was there another one? Is there another one? Okay. Okay, I promise. I know, you tell me every sound that's weird. You let me know. I know. Such a good little alert dog. My baby girl. You can take a break. It's New Year's Eve. There's fireworks, I know. I don't need you to stay awake anymore. You go night-night. Every sound, every alarm, every person that walks in, she lets me know. She knows I can't hear them. To make sure that I know what's going on. So it takes a lot for her to relax, especially on New Year's Eve with firecrackers. She's a good girl. I'm so blessed.